Hey guys, it's Bree, and today's video I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day all protein diet. And I decided to do this because I think it's very interesting when people show like what they eat in their diet, because it inspires you on what to eat if you are looking to try new things. That's why I also made the trying the Victoria's Secret model diet, because that was so I can figure out what else I can add to my all protein diet. So before I start, if you guys can give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below, and also hit that bell right next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video. And also if you guys can follow me on Instagram at bree.rose.19, I'll be posting a lot more on there as well. And I also have my Avon website that I will be putting in the description, and you can get things like this perfume here that is very pretty. It is the Haiku, and it smells strong, but it's a very nice floral perfume, and I would recommend this if you guys are interested in buying from the website. It is very decorative. I really like the flowers, and the way it looks just makes it appear very pretty. So if you guys are interested in buying things like this, you guys can go onto my website and shop there. There's other things like makeup and jewelry and bath and body stuff as well. So if you guys are interested, you can do that. Anyways, let's get started. Hey guys, so for breakfast, I'm just gonna have some egg whites, and the recommended for my diet is 4 large egg whites. So I'm just going to pour it into this. To spray on the pan, I'm going to be using the coconut oil because it is much healthier. And now I'm going to be using this Mexican blend cheese to put on top of the egg whites. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of pepper on top. So this is the finished breakfast. So I made the egg whites into like a kind of omelet shape, and then I'm just having some black coffee with it. Hey guys, so my diet says that I need to have a breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. And for the first snack, it recommends 2 cheese sticks that are low fat with water. So I'm going to be drinking a little bit of this with this. Hey, so for lunch, I'm just having my water bottle with some salad, and I'm very picky with what I put in my salad. So I just put tomatoes with lettuce. Hey guys. So my afternoon snack, so this is my second snack that they recommend, and I'm just having regular vanilla yogurt because this has 2 grams of sugar only, and it has, I think it said 10 or 15 grams of protein. It might be more than that, but it was on the cap. And I am going to be having this with some water. I love yogurt, but I only like certain flavors. I'm very picky with yogurt. So for dinner, I'm just having some grilled chicken with squash and green beans, and I also had grilled tomatoes, which was really good, with my water bottle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, this was really fun because I got to show you the what I eat in a day. I never did a video like this before, and it's very interesting to see how I was able to film and cook at the same time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and also subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below, and hit that bell right next to it so you're notified every time I post a new video. If you couldn't tell, I'm now posting on Wednesdays and Fridays at around 7 p.m. so Eastern time. And remember, my Avon website is in the description box below if you're interested. See you guys with a new video next week. Bye!